Dear student, in this video we will see that how oxygen is required. For taking the experiment about the oxygen, first of all some materials are required. Here I have taken the matchsticks, second one is a saucer, then third one is a glass of conical shape, or we can also take a cylindrical shape, and one a diya. In this video you have seen that the fire is going on, it means lamp is burning. Why the lamp is burning? As you know that in our surrounding there were so many gases are there, such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, like that gases is present all around us in air. So that's why that lamp is burning, okay, isn't it? So the above space is open, that's why that fire takes oxygen, and so that's why the lamp is burning. So how does fire need oxygen? We will take an experiment. So I have taken the saucer and I have just put little on the top of the lamp. Then we will observe that the flame is decreasing and finally set.